What is up, guys? Infinity12 here, and today I fit an Xbox 360 motherboard, power brick, a 1TB drive, which you can't get these. I tore apart the hard drive. This thing, oops, that ain't good. This thing, 60 GB, and upgraded it to 1TB. And I fit the disk drive in here, the power brick. I got 6 fans total. Well, actually, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6 fans total. Running off of this 900-watt boost converter. And then this powers the boost converter, this block. And then this goes to the Xbox 360. This is just a 3-prong adapter thing. But yeah, this is, I put it all in a PC case. Let me see what PC case it is. Right there. The Compaq CQ5000. And I use all the fans besides this one. This came off the boost converter. It used to go right there. But there's enough airflow in here that'll keep it cool. Took that off the boost converter, put it there. This came off the CPU heatsink, and this came out of the power supply that came with the PC, which is right here. I don't need that. Saved me a lot of room not putting it in. Yeah, so now all I have to do is put it on the side, which actually I'm not going to do that right now. I'm going to test the Xbox, make sure it works. Oh, and when I do the disk drive, it should come out of the hole, which is going to be awesome. I hope it boots up, and if it does, I'll see you in the next video. Infinity12 out. Part 2 will be coming soon.